I don't know if you can hear it or not, but it's sleeting out here. It's really dark. I don't know if you can tell. It's on the porch. Did you see it all out there? It's coming down. This is the beginning of my very first blizzard. Well, probably not a blizzard here, but it's the first for me. It's already building up on the cars. We'll see what happens in the morning. Alright, it's a couple hours later now, and you can really hear it. That's sleep, folks. Pure sleep. I don't know how well you can see it in the dark. But yeah, it's sure coming down. I don't know how long I'll stay out here, but I had to just come and show you what it's doing out here. Just amazing. Yeah, the snow drifts here are really deep. Woo! We've fallen over. And there's the greenhouse. It's coming in pretty good. It's nice. It's really cold out here. Wow. I don't know this depth, or I couldn't tell you how deep this was. Oh, it's pretty darn deep. Alright. Well, it's about, I don't know, 12:30 or so. A little after lunchtime. Snowing like crazy now. I don't know if you can see it in this. It's snowing. Big flakes. I'm gonna walk out here. Look, the greenhouse is already snowed back up. You can't get in there. I'm just gonna show y'all plants that were in there. We'll do it another time. Huh. Interesting. Alright, looks like he shoveled it all the way out here too. Whoa, crunching down in it. Look at this. Oh, I don't know if you can see it or not. That poor dog over there. It's out. There's the garden spot. All covered in snow, probably about 2 foot deep or 3 foot deep. Something like that. Pretty amazing. There's where those birdhouses are. I'll take another picture of it later. They're covered up for sure. Alright. There's the boat. That's the garden boat. Pretty much all covered. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it's snowing pretty good still. Real light flakes. It was a lot heavier this morning from what people were telling me. Mars has shoveled the path out to the trailer. Look at those drifts. Is that amazing or what? Now I know I've written before about the boat, the garden boat. As you can see, it is totally full of snow. And here's one of the rain barrels. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it is really frozen up. Look at that. It's totally frozen. There's supposed to be a little path through here. That was dug out. Mars dug it out the other day, or a couple of days ago. Let's see if I can get over here. There's the poor fig tree. It's just about covered up. Look at that. Ah, boy, it's pretty out here. It's quiet. I can hear the dogs barking. That's about it. There we go. Up to the front where I was taking pictures the other night on the snow. Look at this. It's just beautiful. Well, all the tracks are gone. It snowed enough to cover them all up. I'm thinking this is so neat. I can hear the birds. They're not at all intimidated by all of them. Look at that. Totally, totally quiet out here. Nobody on the roads. As you can tell out there. There's nobody out here. And it just keeps snowing and snowing. They say this little one shouldn't give us, we should get maybe an inch or two. And then it's supposed to snow again tomorrow. Or tonight, and then tomorrow. So we'll see what it brings. Power guys are out, that's never a good sign. But so far we haven't lost any power. We're sitting all warm and cozy. Well, I say that. And there goes the power truck. You can tell people are moving. There was nobody moving out here the other day. Got a little traffic. But everybody's moving slow and nothing's really open yet. The mailman ran day before yesterday. He was able to come. But again, yesterday he wasn't going to make it. And I really doubt that he'll make it again today. Those folks with all their retirement checks and Social Security and all aren't too happy about that right now. But what can I say? The weather prevails. Well, it's snowing again. Another day. More snow. They say this is probably going to be, maybe, we'll probably get another inch or two out of it. I'm not sure. All I know is it sure is pretty. Being new to this, I am not tired of it yet. I'm sure that's coming. I'm really sure. Right there, that's where the birdhouse is, that little dot right there. There's a whole stack of them there, but you can't see them now. Maybe later. All of the stuff that was covered up, or there was the little trails, are gone now. Got snowdrifts up, probably to my waist right through here. Isn't that beautiful though? Look at that. Beautiful. Alright, I'm back this is back in the backyard again. As you can see, the trail to the greenhouse is about gone now. It's all covered up. It's still snowing. There's the solar panels back there. Totally covered up. So we're not drawing any power from that. The battery banks are good though, and it's still running the computer and some lights. Probably 3 or 4 lights. I've got a power strip that it runs some stuff off of. Doesn't run everything, but it will work in an emergency. If we lose power, which we haven't yet, it should be just fine for that. Well, for a little while. I'm sure it'll draw it down. But that's okay. We've got other sources of heat. So far, though, nobody's lost power around here as far as I can tell. Haven't heard anything on the news. It's just all snow. Not a whole lot of ice. We've been real lucky. There's been some accidents out on the main road, on the highways. People being stupid, driving out when they shouldn't be driving. Impassable weather, so they say. I don't know, see down there on the bottom, those snow-covered, those are big pots. You just can't really tell it. They'll have stuff growing in them before long. Well, the groundhog saw its shadow. Let's wonder what he'd see today. It's just beautiful, absolutely beautiful. I'm loving my very first snow. Very first snow. Being from Texas and all, you just don't see things like this, and it just lasts and lasts. They say the snow, it's not going to warm up past freezing in any time soon. So I'm guessing this stuff's gonna be with us for a while. Anyway, just wanted you to see how beautiful this is as far as I'm concerned. Lots of people who live out in this stuff don't really agree, though. Actually, they think I'm nuts. That's okay. Everyone should have their first snow and enjoy it. I know the kids are loving it. School's out. You guys have a wonderful day. I'm going to play in the snow for a while. God bless each and every one of you.